Carbs, friend or foe? Let's break it down. Are they really the enemy or just misunderstood? We hear it everywhere. Carbs are bad. Cut out carbs to lose weight. But is it really that simple? But hold on a second, it's not that simple. Carbs play a crucial role in our diet. Carbs are like any relationship, understanding is key. They can be both beneficial and detrimental. Some carbs are your best friends, fueling your body and keeping you going. Think of whole grains, fruits and vegetables. Others, well, they might be more like that friend who always pressures you to split dessert. These are the refined carbs and sugars. Knowing the difference is super important. It helps you make informed choices. We're going to break it all down, giving you the knowledge to make smart choices for a healthier you. Let's get started. This isn't about cutting out carbs completely, it's about balance and moderation. It's about choosing the right ones and enjoying them in a way that benefits your body. Stay tuned for more insights. Carbohydrates. They sound complicated, right? But really, they're just one of the three main types of nutrients your body needs, the others being proteins and fats. Think of carbs as your body's primary energy source. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, a type of sugar. This glucose enters your bloodstream and travels to your cells, providing them with energy to function. It's like filling up your car with gas. Carbs are the fuel that keeps you running. Without enough carbs, you might feel tired, sluggish, and unable to focus. Not fun, right? Up next, we'll dive into the different kinds of carbs and why some are better for you than others. Not all carbs are created equal. Some provide lasting energy, while others give you a quick boost but leave you wanting more. We've got the good guys, complex carbs, and the not so good guys, simple carbs. Understanding the difference can help you make better dietary choices. Complex carbs are like a long, slow-burning fire. They provide a steady source of energy that keeps you going throughout the day. They're found in foods like whole grains, fruits, veggies, and legumes. These foods are packed with nutrients and fiber. These carbs are digested slowly, providing sustained energy and keeping you feeling fuller longer. They help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Simple carbs, on the other hand, are like a quick burst of flames. They give you a rapid energy spike but don't last long. They're found in processed foods, sugary drinks, and white bread. These foods often lack essential nutrients and fiber. These carbs are digested quickly, leading to sugar spikes and crashes, leaving you feeling hungry again soon after. This can lead to overeating and weight gain. Knowing the difference is key to making healthy choices. It helps you plan meals that keep you energized and satisfied. Choose complex carbs most of the time and enjoy those simple carbs in moderation. Balance is the key to a healthy diet. So how do you manage your carb intake and make sure you're fueling your body the right way? It's all about making informed choices and being mindful of what you eat. Here are a few tips. 1. Portion control is key. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. Even healthy carbs should be consumed in moderation. Overeating any type of food can lead to weight gain and other health issues. A serving of cooked pasta, for example, is about the size of your fist. This visual cue can help you keep portions in check. 2. Don't fear the fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy diet and can help regulate your digestive system. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, veggies, and whole grains are your friends. They not only aid digestion but also help maintain a healthy weight. They help you feel fuller for longer and aid in digestion. This means you're less likely to overeat or snack on unhealthy foods. 3. Meal planning is your secret weapon. By planning your meals, you can ensure a balanced diet and avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you make healthier choices and avoid impulsive sugary snacks. It also saves time and reduces stress. Remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one person might not work for another, so it's important to listen to your body. What works for one person might not work for another. Keeping a food journal can help you track what works best for you. It's always a good idea to consult with your primary care doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. Don't have a doctor? No worries. Check out MyHomeDoc Telehealth for affordable and convenient healthcare options. You've got this. Taking control of your health is within reach. By understanding carbs and making smart choices, you can enjoy a healthy and balanced diet. Remember, small changes can lead to big results over time.